Welcome to Learn Hebrew. In this Hebrew lesson, I will show you how to say, write, and pronounce the days of the week. I will cover the meaning of the weekdays names and more general words regarding the topic such as yesterday, today, etc. I strongly believe that once you understand the meaning behind the words you learn, memorizing and then using those words becomes easier. I will explain only words describe a single day. I will not cover in this lesson words regarding weeks, months, years, etc. I will cover those topics in a separate video. A short background before we start. Weekdays in Hebrew are named after the ordinal number represents their place in the weekday series. Meaning, if a week is a group of 7 days, the names are the ordinal place in the group. First, second, third, etc. Since days in Hebrew are of masculine gender, the count form of the day is ordinal masculine. I explain more about counting in Hebrew in a different video. I encourage you to grab a pen and a piece of paper and write down the days yourself. It will help you remember them faster. If you are not familiar with the Hebrew alphabet, check out my other video about the subject. Links are in the description. Let's see how to say Sunday in Hebrew. Why start with Sunday? According to the Jewish calendar, this is the first day of the week. As you will find out shortly, its name also self-explains that. A short aside, a week is named Shavua in Hebrew. Shavua. The word Shavua is very similar to the word Sheva, that represents the number 7 in Hebrew. On Sunday, the first word Yom translates to day in English. The word Yom will repeat itself in the following examples. In Hebrew, it is common to add the word Yom to the name of the day. The second word is Rishon. Rishon means first, so the name of the day roughly translates to the first day in English. Notice how the last consonant is stressed. Rishon. Not Rishon, Rishon. The same stress is applied to all the days' names. Monday works similarly. As I mentioned, you can see the word Yom that translates to day in English. The second word is Sheni. Sheni means second in English. Again, in masculine form. Let's continue with the rest of the days. They are named according to the same principles above. Tuesday, Yom Shlishi. Shlishi. Wednesday, Yom Revi'i. Revi'i. Notice that the word Revi'i is ending with an Ain. It is not Revi'i, it's Revi'i. Thursday, Yom Chamishi. Yom Chamishi. Notice the stress. It's not Chamishi, it's not Chamishi, it's Chamishi. Friday, Yom Shishi. Shishi. Saturday. Saturday is different from the rest of the days. In Hebrew, in contrast to the first 6 days, you do not name the 7th day according to its ordinal place in the week. Shabbat, according to the Jewish religion, is the last day of the week in which God ceased creating the world. Shabbat is Shabbat. Let's discuss few more useful words. Etmol. Etmol. Yesterday. Shilshom. Shilshom. The day before yesterday. In Hebrew, it sounds like a combination of 3 and day, meaning, including today, Shilshom means 3 days ago. Without today, it is 2 days ago, and that is the common meaning in Hebrew, 2 days ago. Hayom, today. Hayom. Machar, tomorrow. Machar. Mochoratayim. Mochoratayim, the day after tomorrow. In Hebrew it sounds like a double machar or two machars. The reason the word mochoratayim starts with mocho is because of the nikud chataf kamatz. Nikud is not covered in this lesson. For now, just remember the pronunciation. Thank you for watching. Leave any question you have in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any lesson. See you next lesson.